Kalvakuntla Kavita, BRS MLC, sitting on a 72-hour Diksha here in order to ask for 42% quota. You're sitting on the first day, or are you allowed to sit here for 3 days? You have announced a 72-hour fast demanding the quota for the backward classes.
Well, we are requesting with the government and we are demanding from the government. This is a very peaceful, rightful way of protesting in democracy, and we should be allowed to do that because both Congress and BJP are constantly trying to con the BC community of Telangana by not giving any clarity. We need to put pressure on both of these parties. There is a sense of urgency because of the September 30th deadline given by the High Court. Because this is a time-bound issue, we need to take extreme steps. That is why I have particularly decided to sit on a hunger strike without drinking water, without eating food for 72 hours. I believe the Gandhian way at least will put some pressure on both BJP and Congress, and they will come out of some clarity.
You have seized the initiative and you're doing it even before the Congress goes to Delhi and does a dharna there. You're still part of the Bharat Rashtra Samiti, but you're not doing it on their aegis.
Madam, why is Congress going to Delhi today? If they are going to sit like me, a person in opposition party, in Jantar Mantar, there is no point. They should actually seek appointment to the Rashtrapati ji. I strongly believe that if Madam Sonia ji will ask for an appointment, Rashtrapati ji will certainly give an appointment. They should go there, invite every political party leader from Telangana, take them there, take an all-party delegation, show the Telangana strength in front of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the union government, and then make sure that this bill passes. Now Congress
They do say that they've sought a time with the president.
Not at all, not at all. I don't believe they are serious because BJP is asking a straight question, asking if in this 42% are you including Muslims? Congress till date is not given any clarity. Why don't they just write a letter to the Honorable President saying what is the 42% subclassification? 42% is the en bloc reservation that is proposed now. But what is the subclassification? And I am also demanding Mr. Revanth Reddy to introduce 10% reservation for the Muslim minorities in the upcoming assembly session. At least if he can announce that clearly, then the BC bill will be immediately passed without any hindrance. So Congress is neither doing that nor this. And BJP is blocking both the ordinance which is pending at the governor, and it is also blocking the bill that is pending at the Rashtrapati ji. So to put the pressure on both these parties, I think Gandhian way is the only way.
I should also ask you, you are adorning green colors and everywhere around you I see the white and green and none of the pink. Are you giving up on the pink colors now? The distance seems to have widened really, the rift.
Ma'am, you've already known even when BRS was in power, I have done Mahila Dharna with the same colors in Delhi. So when after opposition also, I have been continuously working on the BC issue from my own organization Telangana Jagruti. Telangana Jagruti is not a new organization. It is a 20-year-old civil society organization. Even during Telangana movement, I have spoken about multiple political issues on this banner. So there is not much of a rift in the party. There is some little disturbance. Yes, I have acknowledged it. And I am hoping and believing that the party high command will someday sort it out and all will be well.
Yesterday, you've also spoken about the kind of verbal attack that happened on you was instigated by a senior BRS leader.
Well, I don't think that is a topic of discussion right now because the grave issue that I am sitting on a hunger strike is not to talk about such not so great people. So let me just stick to the issue of BCs. This is an important issue. I want to once again demand both Congress party and BJP party to take this issue seriously because September 30th deadline is soon approaching. They need to act fast. Thank you, Jai Telangana.
I must ask you this question though. This comes on a day when the cabinet is discussing the PC Ghosh committee report and they have shared the copies of the executive summary. It is indicting the former chief minister.
We have announced the Diksha almost 10 days back. If the government decides to out the report today informally, it is a government's decision, not mine. So government is trying to divert the attention from my Diksha is what I believe. Thank you. Jai Telangana.
You have to react on whether you are making a distinction because you have repeatedly said The BRS Supremo is Mr. KCR, and you have said he's surrounded by other people. Are you also going to make a distinction with?
Please request you. That is a topic for another day. I'll certainly talk about it with you. Not today. Thank you.
So Kavita today sitting on the Diksha for the backward classes and insisting that the focus should remain on this issue and would not want to be diverted to the other issues that are now raging in Telangana, whether it is the PC Ghosh Committee report or the troubles within her own parent party, the Bharatiya Rashtra Samiti.